The Smart Factory was created as a center of innovation to showcase different types of automation technology to our clients, our partners, and various members of our ecosystem, whether it's in Quebec or in Canada.
There are 5 smart factories by Deloitte in the world, and we're lucky to have one in Montreal. At Osedea, we're really proud to be a partner of the smart factories and showcase our robotics, and mainly Spot from Boston Dynamics, can help businesses to be more competitive, be more productive, and improve their maintenance processes.
When coming to the Smart Factory by Deloitte, visitors can expect to have a tailored visit to their own unique situation. We are preparing an intake call with them early on to determine what are the best use cases and technology that we can show to them. And after that, they'll come with a small team of around 10 people to our site, and they'll have the chance to see technology in action and not just PowerPoint presentation.
So what's the mission here for Spot? It's pretty simple. It's to showcase the use case of the robot in a factory setting. So not only have we implemented the robot here to do auto-walk missions, but we've also created a custom dashboard in order for audience to see the data that it collects. By default, the robot will walk around the facility and capture its data, but we wanted a place for the audience to see live the data that it captures.
So the partnership between Deloitte and Osedea was really a very natural partnership. We have a lot of activities that are very complementary between our two organizations. Not only do we serve as the same types of customers, but we can really have a complementary service offering with regards to innovation, AI, and robotics. So we can really go to market together and offer our clients a full turnkey solution.
To schedule a Smart Factory experience, visitors can connect directly with Osedea or the Smart Factory, and it's going to be our pleasure to debut the intake call with them and debut the process to perform an experience so that they can see Spot in action and all the other technologies that we have on site.